First, well, second hike of the season. First one was the last video that we had done of the little house in the woods. This is Gold Creek Trail, and it is so beautiful. Enjoying the peace and serenity. I'm seeing all the lush growth. Walking over a little creek bridge right now. Yes, it's beautiful. Enjoy that sound. There's the hubs. Other side of the creek. There it is. Gold Creek Trail, we've never done this before. It's got a nice little incline. I'm already having a hard time breathing. This is so pretty. Such a unique trail. It's almost like walking on a dry riverbed. Okay guys, I know you can't tell by looking, but this is pretty steep. And I am joyful right now because in the past, I've really struggled on these hikes, especially when we get in the elevation, having enough air to keep going. But right now, I can talk. I'm still out of breath, as you can hear, but this is where the 3 a.m. workouts have been paying off. Right here. I am so happy. Here's our reward. The vista. Oh my gosh, you guys, isn't that gorgeous? Zoom in a little bit. That's what I see from my house every day. Oh man, it's so much prettier up here though. Yay! That's where we just came from. Out of the woods, went all the way through the woods, and we come out right here. And I think that might be Belfair State Park area. I'm not sure. Let's zoom in on those gorgeous houses on the water. There's the Hood Canal. So pretty. I'm in love. Oh, get out of the way. Pole. Beautiful. Yes, I feel you, birdie. Serene. Okay, here it is. This is the reason why we make these hikes. This is for my soul, you guys. I love the mountains with a capital L. Look at this beautiful space that Jesus made. I'm so grateful that I live here and I get to enjoy this. Oh my gosh, I don't have to travel. I mean, we left maybe 35 minutes from the house and we were here. I am just so grateful. This is beautiful. Quiet. All the stress melts away. This right here, I can see this from my front porch. This guy right here. Isn't he pretty? Yay.